Good morning. It is 5:45 or something like that. I'm so tired. I've not been getting enough sleep. Too many projects. But yeah, so yesterday was a wind day, and today everything is super calm, which is fabulous. And I think we're gonna have a good, fast day, I hope. It was really cold this morning. It was like, I think 5 or 6 degrees Celsius. So everybody's bundled up. The warbler crew didn't go out right away this morning because they're like, we're cold. Like, man, it's June. It's almost July. It's this cold. But it's supposed to warm up to like 37 or something by the end of the week. So we're going to be sweating and wishing for this weather again. But yeah, we have sort of a half day today just because people got some points in yesterday even though it was windy. So hopefully we'll be able to go back soon and like take a nap or something. It's 8:04 and I just got to my last point for the day, which is fabulous. And I have immediately been assaulted by mosquitoes. So it's going to be a fun count. There's almost no breeze to keep them away, and it's warmed up enough that they're pretty active. So, not looking forward to that. But yeah, get back to my car, go back to the data bar and do stuff, enter in data, whatever, and go back to bed.